Have you ever thought about how your craving shifts with the seasons? That's wild. The weather doesn't just dictate our wardrobe, it totally transforms what we want to eat. Today we are diving deep into a delicious world where each season brings its own flavor and tradition. From refreshing summer treats to cozy winter comforts, let's embark on this mouth-watering journey through the 4 seasons. Get ready to discover how weather influences our plates. Let's jump right in.
First up, spring. The world's coming back to life. Think of vibrant strawberries, crisp apples, and zesty oranges. You can whip up colorful salads with leafy greens, asparagus, and fresh herbs. Fruit chaat is a refreshing and colorful mix of seasonal fruits, often seasoned with tangy spices like chaat masala and a dash of lemon juice. Popular in South Asia, especially during spring. Fresh juices. They are real vibe of the spring season. Oh, and don't forget those spring festivals. India's holy festival, with people throwing colored powder, sipping vibrant drinks, and sharing sweets. Everywhere, people are outside picnicking, and enjoying hiking. And speaking of spring festivals, let's not forget the iconic Cherry Blossom Festival in Japan. As the pink petals falls, people gather under the cherry trees for hanami, a tradition of appreciating the beauty of blossom while enjoying delicious springtime treats. What's in the menu? Sakura mochi, a sweet sticky rice cake wrapped in cherry blossom leaf. It's all about celebrating the beauty of season with delicate floral flowers that capture the essence of spring.
Next we are heading to summers, the hottest season, which means we are all about cold, refreshing foods. Think of yummy ice cream, chilled fruit salads, and tropical drinks like coconut water and smoothies. Let's not forget watermelon, mangoes, pineapples, and fresh berries, all perfect for a fruit salad. Then for the savory side, there's barbecue everything, grilled chicken, burgers, and even grilled veggies. and we're downing it all with cold lemonade and iced tea. During summer, life moves outdoors. Spending a day at beach, poolside or hanging out in park. The food is light, fresh and super hydrating. Plus, summer brings out some wild street foods like shaved ice, some yummy jalebis, or corn on the cob roasted to perfection.
Now comes autumn, and it's time for all those cozy, comforting flavors. Pumpkin is king this season, so think pumpkin pies, roasted pumpkins, and everything warm and spiced. But that's not all. Apples are also in full swing. Making apple pie a fall favorite. As the air gets cooler, people fire up their barbecue grills for fall feast. Ribs, sausages and grilled veggies. Oh, and don't forget those casseroles where everything from squash to potatoes get baked to perfection. Autumn is also the harvest season, with farmers' market overflowing, with root vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and beetroot. Whether it's a big Thanksgiving meal or a cozy weekend barbecue. This season is all about gathering around good food.
At last, the coldest season, winter. When winter rolls in, the food gets hearty and warm. Nothing beats hot chocolate when it's freezing out. Unless you're talking about beef stew, roasted chicken, or a big bowl of soup. Winter is the season for comfort food. In South Asian countries, it's all about sarson ka saag, a mustard green dish that's a winter staple. Often served with buttery, warm makai ki roti. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out on one of winter's ultimate comfort foods. Same ways, nothing says winter vibes like a cozy cup of soup. Here are some soups which are best enjoyed this season. Winter is also festival season. If you're in Pakistan, you can't miss the Malam Jabba Winter Festival. Three-days Winter Snow Festival at Malam Jabba Sawat attract thousands of tourists. This festival comprises of many different competitions. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.